Hey guys, it's Whitney Brown with Vision Blue Events from Orlando, Florida, and I don't even think the dictionary holds the words that can describe how absolutely amazing the KR Collective is, how amazing Kathy Romero is, and her entire team. So my purpose and my journey for being here today is that I was trying to figure out how I could make something that I was treating like a hobby a full-time job, turning passion into profit. I had followed Kathy for a while on Instagram, and my sister was a huge fan as well and was like, hey, you should check out this event that she's having. So I took my little pennies and I went ahead and purchased my ticket to the KR Collective and flew up to Jersey, and I would have paid 10 times what I did.